Greetings to everyone. Today, YouTuber is back with a new video after a very long time. So please make sure to subscribe and like this video. In this video, I will be solving all my different cubes and be checking my speed. So let's get started. As you can see, I unscrambled all my cubes. I thought of doing two ways to solve all these cubes, but then for this video, I've only performed one way of doing it, in which I'll be taking breaks and observe the cubes for a short period of time. Second way which I'm talking about is a continuous long solve, which I will do only after 125 numbers. So as you can see, I've started with the mirror cube, and this video is in time lapse because if it was at its normal pace, then the video would have taken time to get over. Mirror cube is the most complex cube by far in my collection. A lot of time. I guess it's going to be the worst solve of my mirror cube solvings. I'm still on the second layer and I have even messed up it, I guess. Done, and it took me 5 minutes, which is not a good time for a mirror cube. 7 by 7. This cube takes me a lot of time and consumes most of my time. I mean, just look how frightening it is. I mean, for you guys it's frightening, but not for me. 7 years. Yeah, in between there was a technical glitch with me, so I paused the time and even stopped solving the cube. When it was over, then I again started it. But it was really the one which I enjoyed a lot. Where's the last layer? And I'm gonna finish that. And yes, it's done. Now the tension is over for I've done the 3 big cubes. Now only 3 easy cubes are left. Dynamics, 3 by 3 and 4 finishes as well. I love all the cubes, I should be complete. If I talk about my opinion, my personal favorite, then it's the 3 by 3. And that's every speed cube as well. I understand that this is done. I'm not in a pretty good time. And my fourth one. Well, thanks for being a part of this video. Yeah, continue to be. Hope you're enjoying. And I'm really sorry for the video quality because it's too bad. I know there are two of my loyal subscribers who are always into me and always try to follow all my videos. They are eager to wait. They're eager to wait for my videos. I won't be naming those two subscribers. Let them guess who I'm talking about. Okay, time for the 3x3. This cube is the most enjoyable. I love playing with this one. Repeat the algorithm. Well, I have not done it. I've broken it into two parts. The two located. So I've done all my solvings, and you can see it has taken me 31 minutes, which is not at all a good time for solving all these cubes. I mean, I could have done it under 25 minutes, but I'm exhausted with them. Well, anyways, thanks for watching.